Hi there beardos, and welcome back to the DIY Beard. In this episode we are covering the Star Bikers Toy Run across Stoke-on-Trent. So the Toy Run itself runs from the Bet365 Stadium, home of Stoke City Football Club, and it ends in Stoke City Town Centre. Now the ride has been going for 42 years, so this is the 42nd annual ride, and it's a charitable ride across Stoke-on-Trent to get money and charitable donations of toys and gifts for children and underprivileged adults across Stoke-on-Trent. Now, apologies in advance for the voiceover rather than a normal generic moto vlog. The mic within the helmet didn't actually record the sound as I was talking, although we do get some lovely exhaust notes from my bike and other bikes with on the ride. Now, I'm not going to do a lot of talking throughout, just because I think it's nice for you to get a feel for my experience from the ride. I didn't actually finish the ride either. My father, who joined me, for some reason didn't put fuel in his bike before we left, so part way through actually ran out of fuel. Luckily for him though, right next to a petrol station, so towards the end of the ride we end up really at the back and we have to play catch up, so it wasn't really a lot of good footage for you, so I've kind of edited it a little bit. Now, this is actually the third ride that I've been on myself. I've done it in previous years, and I've actually done one of the other rides that's organised by Star Bikers. They do a ride called the Egg Run about March, April time of every year. Similar thing, it's really there to collect Easter eggs though, rather than toys. Again, goes towards kids across a number of charities throughout Stoke-on-Trent and Staffordshire. Now, what I would love is if you could all hit me up in the comments below and let me know what sort of charitable rides you go on. This is something that I'm very keen to do within the charity and to join. Charity for me, every charity is a great cause, and the bikers themselves, always get involved within charities, and I'm happy to support any charity that I can and just give a little back, really. So just hit me up in the comments below with any rides that you attend, and hopefully I'll be able to see if I can join those throughout the year as well. Now, as I said, I'm not going to talk your way through this itself. I'll sit back and let you watch some of the footage itself, but please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and hopefully we can keep recording some more footage for you, along with some of the more build series as we go. So thanks for listening, guys, and hope you enjoy some of the footage going forward.
battery reserve on it, do you know? Dead, Dad. Your arm getting a bit dead. So you're flicking it then. we're pulling the mud stuff. Luckily, right by a petrol station. Yeah, you're on course.